What if I told you that simply trying to make new friends online just give a hacker your exact GPS coordinates? They make completely normal looking site to find people near you, but it's actually highly clever social engineer trap. Forget IP address tracking that only gives you rough city estimate. Today, we are going to use a tool on Kali Linux and it's called Seeker. Let's see how hackers can exactly find where you are. Modern browsers have a built-in geolocation API. Attackers create fake pages that look completely legitimate, but they're not. The moment you click allow, it begins. Exact GPS coordinates captured instantly. But Seeker doesn't use complex exploits or malware. It uses social engineering. It creates a fake page that looks like a dating app or a friendly finder, and people fall for it completely. But before we start, I want to make it absolutely clear that we will not be attacking anyone. I will not show you how to perform this attack on anyone else. Instead, the techniques demonstrated in this video were performed in a controlled, authorized environment using my own devices. Tracking or phishing someone's location without their explicit consent is illegal. This video is designed to show you how these attacks work so you can better defend yourself. So a hacker opened up his browser and he searches for Seeker tool on GitHub. Then he clones the repo and he cloned it into his desktop. Once he clones, then he moves into the Seeker directory. There he sees many files. One of them is the install script. So the hacker then provided the permission to the install script and start installing the tool. Once the tool was installed, the hacker ran the tool with Python 3. And from there, he had many options, but he chose to create a fake phishing page that is very similar to dating app or a friendly finder. He then copies the link and sends it to one of his victims. Victim clicks on the link, he opens it. He thought it's a friendly finder app because these apps or sites want location access in order to find people near you, so he allowed his location. And all he saw was a message coming soon. But he didn't realize that hacker captured all his details. For example, his device information, like what country he is from, what city, and most importantly, he captured the exact geolocation. A hacker can easily open the link that he got and it will show almost the exact location of the victim. So how do you make sure no one ever does this to you? This defense is actually incredibly simple. First, don't leave your browser location set to ask or allow. Get to your phone's browser settings, find site settings, and change the location to block by default. Second, double check your main phone setting. Make sure your web browser itself does not have always allow location turned on. And the golden rule, context is everything. If you click a random link and it suddenly gets a location prompt, ask yourself, why does this specific site need to know where I am? Hackers rely on you acting on impulse. Don't give them your location on a silver platter. If this helped you understand social engineering, hit the subscribe button for more breakdowns.